Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine a plate of aromatic basmati rice perfectly cooked and mixed with succulent shrimps, a medley of exotic spices, and a hint of fragrant butter. This, dear food lovers, is the Indian shrimp biryani. This dish is a symphony of taste and aroma, a pleasure to the senses. A popular Indian delicacy, it's adored by gourmets worldwide for its exquisite blend of flavors and textures. Ready to embark on this culinary journey to make the perfect shrimp biryani? Buckle up, because it's going to be an adventure of flavors. To start our journey, we first need to gather our ingredients. At the heart of our dish is a cup of peeled and deveined shrimp, which will provide a rich oceanic flavor. Next, we have 2 cups of basmati rice, which will lend an aromatic and fluffy base to our biryani. For the aromatic elements, we'll need a medium onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, mashed, and a small piece of fresh ginger, also mashed. These ingredients will infuse our dish with a depth of flavor that is quintessential to Indian cuisine. We spice things up with 2 large cubes of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon each of black pepper and ground cumin, and salt to taste. Finally, we'll need 2 tablespoons of butter for sautéing our ingredients, creating a rich, savory base for our biryani. With these ingredients at our fingertips, we're all set to create a masterpiece. Now, on to the exciting part, the cooking. First, we prepare our rice and shrimps. Starting with the rice, give it a good wash until the water runs clear. This helps to remove any excess starch. Then, let it soak in cold water for about 30 minutes. This helps the grains to elongate and become beautifully fluffy. While our rice is soaking, let's move on to our star ingredient, the shrimps. Ensure they are peeled and deveined for the best texture and flavor. Meanwhile, let's start building flavors. Heat a generous knob of butter in a large pan over medium heat. Add in the chopped onions, stirring until they become soft and translucent. This process is key in developing a sweet, caramelized base. Next, we introduce our aromatic trio, minced garlic, ginger, and sautéed onions. Stir them in, allowing their fragrant aromas to mingle with the buttery onions. With our base ready, it's time to spice things up. As our base simmers, we'll introduce our spices and shrimps into the mix. Start by adding 2 heaping tablespoons of curry powder, a small spoon of turmeric, half a spoon of black pepper, and half a spoon of ground cumin. Stir these ingredients well for about a minute. Now it's time to introduce the star of the show, our peeled shrimps. Mix them in until they change color to a beautiful pink, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, strain your basmati rice and replace the soaking water with fresh water. Add salt to taste and gently stir the ingredients. Now add the rice to the pot and mix it well with the shrimp and spices to ensure even distribution. After everything is well combined, it's time to cover the pot. This is where the magic happens. Let the biryani cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is fully cooked and fluffy. The low heat will allow the flavors to meld and the rice to absorb all the delicious juices. And now, for the most challenging part, waiting. The aroma filling your kitchen will be tempting, but patience is key. You want all the flavors to blend together and the rice to fully cook, which will result in a biryani that's well worth the wait. As our biryani cooks to perfection, let's take a moment to appreciate the magic that's about to unfold. We started off by soaking the basmati rice and sautéing our onions until translucent. The addition of crushed garlic and ginger released an irresistible aroma, setting the stage for our spice medley of curry powder, turmeric, black pepper, and ground cumin. The peeled shrimp, tossed in this fragrant mixture, took on a lovely pink hue. Finally, we gently stirred in our soaked rice, ensuring an even distribution of flavors. To check if your rice is done, take a fork and fluff it lightly. It should be tender, well cooked, and separate easily. Once you're satisfied, remove the pot from the heat and let your biryani rest for a good 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. And voila! You've just created a delightful plate of shrimp biryani. Enjoy this aromatic, flavorful dish and relish in the compliments that are sure to come your way. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.